Hi, Mr. Lubao. Can you give us 3 reasons why you should be crowned Mr. Pampanga 2026?
I should be the next Mr. Pampanga. First, because I'm not only masanting, but also magaling. Magaling magaling makipagmiyabing ang alawang tao, magaling sumaw, at magaling makipagtao para kay aliwalawang tao. Second is, I am very compassionate. Compassionate to the people around me, to everything that I do, I'm really compassionate. And lastly, because I am very goal-oriented. And my goal in Mr. Pampanga is to, of course, win the crown. And if I may win the crown, I will use it to empower the youth that in this world where we are criticized by others, it is important to stay authentic and staying true to your values is really important as well. Thank you.